Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reset your microphone and your microphone settings in the Voicemod voice changing application. So let us guide you through this. Launch Voicemod on your desktop computer or laptop, log into your account. And what you want to do guys is head over to Voices in the top left corner here. And from here guys, you may see, for example, all voices that are available that you may, for example, use for your voice changing. And here to the right guys, you will see that panel. So switch from recorder to the given voice right now. You may click into the given voice here to apply it. And here to the right, you will see all settings that can be customized for the given voice. Now, if you have been playing with the pitch, for example, the voice volume, the space, or with stuff like the bass, mid, treble, and so on and so forth, you may simply reset all of that, guys, by clicking into this button here, in the top right corner, to reset the microphone for the given voice. Let me just turn off that mode here. And what you want to do also, guys, is reset your microphone in general, not only specifically for a specific voice. To do that, navigate to your settings here to the left. And here to the left, guys, it's expand advanced. And what you want to do is click into reset to default to reset your microphone sensitivity, to reset settings like this one here, background noise reduction, noise gate, and so on and so forth. You can click also into this button here. So that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.